Suprabhat Bharat. I love Tripura. And this is the Heritage Park, our today's destination in Agartala. I'll show you the map of this Heritage Park before venturing inside. There is a bicycle parking. I have parked my bicycle there, and this is the layout map of Eco-Cum Heritage Park at Kunjban, Agartala, West Tripura. Lawn is there. This is the general layout of the city area. Ojanta Palace is the main attraction, and it falls in West Tripura district. Then Matabadi is the Neer Mahal. Neer Mahal is just like Udaipur Lake Palace, and the name of this district is also Udaipur because of the affinity the Maharaja of Tripura had with that, and some relations also. Then Chavi Mura we have visited. I'll show you that. Ambasa I have served, which is a hilly area, extreme hard area with PF malaria menace, the Plasmodium falciparum, mind malaria it is commonly called. Now it is on little decline. Earlier it played havoc on the lives of people there, including the Jawans who were serving on the border. Unakoti. This is the park area, and let's venture inside. Guys, this is open for the armed public for morning walks up to 8 o'clock in the morning. Then they have tickets. Yeah, morning walkers free entry all weekdays, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. That is a good concept, and people make full use of it. Agartala is perhaps named after this. Yes, it is named after this agar tree. Agar tree is a tree from which the perfumes, agarbattis are made. Agar. So this is the tree. Many people must have seen it for the first time, how an agar tree looks like. And it is a GK question. Agartala name is after agar tree. And this is Bamboo Grove. It was total jungle actually, and later on slowly when cities expanded, the jungles diminished. Otherwise many parts of Agartala are still full of wild vegetation, jungles, and even wild animals like leopards, snow leopards, wild boars, bears. They're still there. I passed through one of those jungles near Shal Bagan. Leopards are there. So while venturing, guys, be a little cautious if you are venturing inside deep jungles. And this is a small pathway giving the depiction of the Tripura in general. Manu River. There's a train going to Delhi. Longtrai Hill Range, Manu Station. Very good. Yeah, see, you can have an aerial view of Tripura. This is Ambasa. This is the station. I have been to this station several times walking. Exactly the same replica. This is Kovai district starts, and guys, some districts are named after rivers. Kovai is a river. This is the river, Kovai River. Teliamura was our sector. So I have been to this area on ground. Now today I see a miniature sand model kind of model of the entire Tripura state, and the most important heartthrob monument of Tripura is this Ojanta Palace. क्या नज़ारा है, बहुत ही शानदार. It was built in 1899 to 1901. Two-storied mansion having mixed type of architecture. Has some structure similar to Victoria Memorial in Calcutta. And for many years it housed the Tripura Legislative Assembly. Now we have a new assembly. I have shown it to you in one of my vlogs. Now it is restored as a state museum with beautiful ponds. Great. And now we will have a look of Udaipur's Neer Mahal. Neer is water. It is situated in a jheel, just like Lake Pichola, Lake Palace in Udaipur. Neer Mahal. Yes. It was built by Maharaja Veer Bikram Kishore Manakya in 1930. Pictures fairy tale mansion located in midst of Rudrasagar Lake. This is Rudrasagar Lake, and it is a international wetland of international importance. It is also called as the Ramsagar project, and it is near Melaghar, 53 kilometers from Agartala. So this is another prominent landmark of Agartala. And see this. One interesting thing, a question of general knowledge perhaps. What is the state flower of Tripura? And guys, it is Nageshwar. And this is Nageshwar 1. It is an ornamental plant, and this is the state flower of Tripura. This is how it looks. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Once the flowers, it starts flowering, the look will change entirely. And these are the plants. Just monsoon is awaited, and they will just revive to life. And once it starts flowering, the total ambience will change with this. And this is Ashok Vatika with Ashoka tree plantations, and it is an important plant to Indian subcontinent, as it is written, has medicinal value as well, and the looks is beautiful. See, very recent plantation. So this is what is required. Plant trees. Jagu Dada says, the famous Jackie Shroff of the film industry, Bedu log jhad lagao. The track, walking track. The Gajraj. See how abundant the greenery is there. Bamboos and all kind of, I just mentioned, the species of flora as well as fauna which are in this park. And it is a pity many people living very close by do not know about these beautiful sites and parks and monuments. So it is my endeavor to raise them from the slumbers. Please come out of your houses in the morning or evening, have a round, see things, see the people, meet them, see the cultures, enjoy the mornings, start your day on a fresh note. And on this note, signing off, yours truly, the Wandering Prairie. Have a nice day.